Hello. I think it has already 2 years gone since I tested for the first time this Kärcher K3, and this is the only second time I will use it, and as promised I will test it on the car. But car is not very dirty. It has some long stayed strains on it, and I will try to use it on this. So let's see how it goes on it. So if you want to see this test on the car, continue watching. So I will use this rotating element. Actually, it is cutting off all the dirt very well, working like a knife. My pressure sometimes is not very well. On the other side, let's try the non-rotating one. Small road dirt after the rain. So the pressure is that high or either low. You can keep the gun with one hand, and of course you can get off without any chemicals these longer stayed dirt strains. So basically that's it. Of course I still should test on bigger dirt, but my overall opinion is that for home purpose it's quite okay, but for more industrial and more dirty works, of course you need some bigger one. So I hope you find it useful, and I hope you liked the test I made and like the video, and see you on other videos. Goodbye.